I thought I'd unbox my new camera. Also, holy buckets, that looks dark. Anyways. Da-da-da. I love the smell of new electronics. Smells like Christmas. Box. This is a really pretty box, by the way. Okay. How does this come off? Can I get my camera off of here? Slide. Is this one of the bases? I think this is the flat base. I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. Um. What do I do with all of this? Ah! It's just a box full of components I don't know how to use. Ah! Oh, why? Oh, goodness. Hey, look! I know what this one does. It's a cleaner. It's another. It's the back 2.0. Oh, look, instructions. Just what I need. Straps? Straps. I can do straps. Straps, yes. By the way, if you want to know what I got the Jigoon Premium 4K. Hashtag not sponsored. Wi-Fi 900 plus. That's cool. I don't know, it looked nice in the package. It wasn't too expensive, and I need a new camera because this is not working for me, so. Speaking of camera, how? Why? What? Ah! Is this just like this now? Well, I feel like a noob. Time to read! I will spare you this part. So returning to the action, there is only one page in English. I mean, it's the page that's helpful because it's all of my components, what they all do. But the rest of it is in Korean. So that's. I mean, what was I expecting? I bought it in Korea. So. Woohoo! Yay! I never throw these away. I read them all the way through. And now I don't have it. What do I do? I'll go look it up online. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What have I done? Please. Please. Please just. Please. Yeah. We're family now. What did I get myself into? Why did I buy this? What am I doing? This was a great idea. Why am I? You know, there's a point where you just need to stop recording and stop hitting the pause button and the play button over and over and over again, which is, by the way, how I record these on my phone. I have the little pause button and the little play button, and I hit them. So that's why it can jump around. Like this. And like this. Impromptu tour of my apartment. Bathroom. All of the essentials. Bedroom. Also essentials. Also living room. Oh goodness. It seems that I was hitting the wrong button. Did we get the bathroom? Did we get it? Do we care? Oh my god. I wonder what's through this door. Slidey magic. It's a kitchen. Look at that lack of counter space. Look at this lack of... My kitchen is so tiny. That's okay, because I still cook delicious things in it. I will not hate my kitchen. Oh, what is this? Dark room where the light doesn't work. Why, it's the laundry room. That's my washing machine. And that's my drying rack. Because, for some reason, there's no dryers in Korea. I mean, there are dryers, but I just don't have one. Nobody in my apartment complex has one. In fact, I don't know that any of my students have one. Things I will have to ask about. Still, it always irks me that they devote an entire room to drying your clothes when there's so little space in this living space to begin with that we could just put a washer-dryer combo in a closet and then expand the kitchen. I'm all about expanding the kitchen. Oh, kind of kitchen continued. Microwave. And that's a refrigerator. I forgot what a refrigerator was called. What am I doing with my life? Camera smells so good. What are you doing? Stop looking! No! Somebody stop me. Seriously, no, somebody stop this recording. I need to not do this. I need to go to bed because it's like, 9 o'clock or 9:50. It's almost 10 o'clock and I need to get up for work at 1:30. I love my job.